Hi, today we'll find the sum of all 5-digit numbers consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Repetition is not allowed. So example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 3, 5, 4, 1 are in the sum, but 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 5, 3, 2 are not allowed. In 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, the number 1 repeats, while in 5, 4, 5, 3, 2, the number 5 repeats, so they're not allowed. If you examine the numbers, the smallest number we have is actually the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next smallest would be the 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. And next smallest would be the 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. The next would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. And if you list all the numbers, so we have quite a lot there. So we can just put that, and the last number would be the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're adding, we're trying to find the sum of all these numbers. So how to find the sum without actually adding the numbers one by one? So it might be helpful to count how many numbers are there. Okay, so we can use the concept of counting principle. So we have 5-digit numbers. Okay, in the first one, we can select any of the 5. So there are 5 options there. In the second place, we have 4 options left because repetition is not allowed. Next would be 3, so 3 options left. Here 2 and 1. So there are a total 120. So we found by multiplying these numbers. So there are 120 numbers in the sum. So if you make a closer look, the number of ones in any place, right? The number of ones, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5 are pretty much equal. So that means if there are 120 total numbers, in each place there are 120 divided 5. So this will give us 24. So in any place, there are 24 ones, right? 24 twos, 24 threes, 24 fours, 24 fives. Okay, now. So 24 ones is 24. 24 twos are 48. Then we have 72 here. Next would be 96. And next one would be 120. So if you add all these numbers, we get 360. So this implies that if you add if you only look at the particular place, the sum is always 360. That means in 10,000's place, there are 360 10,000. So in the 10,000 place, we're referring to the first digit, right? So there are 360 10,000, right? Next, on the 1,000 place, we're referring to the second digit. There are also 360 of them, 1,000, right? Next, on the hundreds place, there are also 360 hundreds. Next will be 360 tens and 360 for the last digit or the ones place. That means our problem is actually adding all of this stuff, right? So if we calculate the sum of this one, we find our answer. So we can multiply them and add them, but actually we can factor out the 360, right? So if we factor out the 360, we're left with 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. So this one can be rewritten as 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1 is 11,100, 11,111, right? So if you multiply these two numbers, we should have 3,999,960. And that's our sum. So the answer to our problem is 3,999,960. And actually that's it. See you on the next video.